Today's question was sent in by a Year 9 student earlier today, and it's a lot of fun. Now the math on this question is fairly easy, but it does require some logical thinking. Also, keep sending in your questions and I'll keep making these explainer videos. And don't forget to follow or subscribe to stay up to date with future videos. So, let's jump in and see if we can solve this question. So here's the question on my virtual whiteboard. Now the question states that 5 machines in a factory can produce 90 units in 2 days. If the machines all work at the same rate, how many machines are needed to produce 1,368 units in 8 days? So the way I'm going to start this question is I'm going to write out the information that I'm given. So we know that 5 machines produce 90 units in 2 days. So let's write that out. 5 machines make 90 units in 2 days. So if 5 machines are making 90 things in 2 days, how many are they making every day? So if 2 days is 90, 1 day must be 45. So those same 5 machines must make 45 units every day to get to 90 units in 2 days. So 45 units in 1 day. So 5 machines can make 45 units in 1 day. How many units must each machine make to add up to 45 units in that day? We can just divide it by 5. So each machine must make 9 units per day. So the total can be 45. So each one machine must make 9 units per day. That way 5 can make 45 per day. So now we've got one machine makes 9 units in 1 day. We need to get to 8 days. So in 1 day, if a machine is making 9 units, how many would that machine make in 8 days? Well, it's 9 units per day over 8 days. That must be 72 units. So the same one machine must make 72 units in 8 days. And all these statements are logically sound. So, in 8 days, one machine can make 72. But we need to find out how many machines we will need to make 1,368. So, all we're going to have to do is get to 1,368 units in the same 8 days. And you may need a calculator for this. You find out how to get from 72 to 1,368. You can divide them and you find out that it's 19. So you need 19 machines working for 8 days to produce 1,368 units. And that's exactly what the question asks. How many machines? So the answer is 19. And there you have it, that's all it takes. Now the main skill that I used to solve this question is a subtopic of logic called deductive reasoning. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like. And don't forget to follow or subscribe to stay up to date with our future videos. If you want to learn any of these topics in a lot more detail, I offer one-to-one private tutoring. Visit the website skittles.school to book a free demo lesson. So, until the next video, keep learning and keep being awesome.